Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Students of class 5, I think all are doing well. So students, now it's time to start our today's worksheet. So for this, today I am here with the next chapter, chapter 33. And yesterday there was chapter 32 exercise and which was about the countries with their capitals name. I hope you all have completed the exercises and revise also. Am I right? Have you done? Okay, so those who have not completed, lastly by today, anyhow they will have to complete their work and revise that also, because as you all are getting your syllabus of periodic test second, okay, so after getting your syllabus you should start and you should keep your revision work very smoothly, okay, for this exam. And you will get your syllabus also of GK. There you have up to chapter 37, means not up to, means from chapter 23 there was a half yearly, after that 24, from 24 to 37 आपके जो chapters हैं, okay, that's for your periodic test second. Okay students, so without taking too much time, we should start our today's work. So I'm here with the chapter 33 and today we will read about the cities of the world. Cities of the world means world में जो cities हैं उनके बारे में आज हम read करेंगे. Okay, so already before this chapter, already page number 37 you have. Before this already we have read about so many cities of the world. But today we have something different exercise. Okay. So first of all, we are getting the description about these cities, and even these cities name are in jumble letters, which you have to keep in unscramble. Then you will write down these famous cities name of the world. Okay. So start now. Read the clues and unscramble the names of the following are names of the famous cities of the world. Read the clues means these are the clues or descriptions you can say. You have to read, and unscramble means you can see the answers of these descriptions are given in unscramble means scramble, jumble, जिसको आपको unscramble करना है, of the famous cities of the world. Which are the famous cities of the world? So let's come to make it unscramble and try to make it the correct city's name of these words. So start now. City known for its अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर, ऐसी सिटी जो कि जानी जाती है इसके अल्ट्रा मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर के नेम से. सो यू हैव टू टेल अबाउट दी सिटीज़ नेम एंड ऑल दी लेटर्स आर इन जम्बल. यू हैव टू जस्ट मेक इट अ मीनिंगफुल वर्ड or have to make it unscramble. So which I have done here, you can see all these. If the correct city name will be for this Dubai, so you can get all the letters in this. Okay, see there, D is also, U is also there, B, okay, A is there, I. So means the correct city's name will be for this Dubai. Okay students, so fill there. Next is that city best known for its roadside food. ऐसी सिटी जो कि नोन की जाती है, जानी जाती है बेस्ट, सबसे अच्छा, फॉर इट्स रोड साइड फूड मीन्स रोड साइड जो फूड होती है, ओके, उसको उसके नेम से जानी जाती है, बेस्ट नेम से, एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड द सिटीज़ दिल्ली. ओके, द सिटीज़ नेम ऑफ दिस दिल्ली. जो फिल देयर दिल्ली, यहाँ से देखिए हेल्प ले सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज दैट city known for its sandy beaches and timber houses. Next क्या आपका city, the city which is known for its sandy beaches. ऐसी सिटी जो कि सैंडी बीचेस के नेम से नोन की जाती है, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर टिम्बर हाउस, एंड दैट सिटी इज कॉल्ड वेलिंगटन. वेलिंगटन, ऑल दी जम्बल लेटर्स आर देयर. सो लेट्स मेक इट एन अनस्क्रैम्बल. And then the answer will be for Wellington. Next, former name of this city was Christiana. former name of the city was Christiania. Okay, was that Oslo. Oslo, O-S-L-O. Next, this city along the river Vorjok. ये जो सिटी है, दिस सिटी टाइज अलोंग, दिस सिटी टाइज अलोंग द रिवर वर्जोब, दैट इज कॉल्ड दुसानबी, दुसानबी सिटी। ये जो सिटी है वो रिवर वर्जोब जो है उसको अपने से क्या करती है, टाई करती है, बांधती है, एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड दुसानबी सिटी। नेक्स्ट है जर्मनीज फाइनेंशियल सेंटर, विच सिटी इज कॉल्ड जर्मनीज फाइनेंशियल सेंटर? So make it in unscramble, that is called फ्रैंकफर्ट, फ्रैंकफर्ट सिटी, जो कि जर्मनी के फाइनेंशियल सेंटर के नेम से भी नोन की जाती है, फ्रैंकफर्ट। नेक्स्ट, द टेक्सान सिटी बिल्ड ऑन ऑयल बैरोन्स, टेक्सान सिटी जो है जो कि बिल्ड की गई, बनाई गई है ऑन ऑयल बैरोन्स, ठीक है, ऑयल बैरोन्स पे, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द लास, ओके, द लास। Next is that largest city of Switzerland. Which city is known as the largest city of Switzerland? स्विट्ज़रलैंड की सबसे लार्जेस्ट जो सिटी है, ओके, व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ दैट सिटी? सी देयर, एंड इट्स कॉल्ड ज्यूरिच। कौन सी सिटी है? ज्यूरिच। नेक्स्ट है द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ इजिप्ट, Egypt, where pyramids are found. Third, which city is known as the third largest city? तीसरी सबसे लंबी सिटी जो है, लार्जेस्ट सिटी जो है इजिप्ट का, जहाँ पे पिरामिड्स को पाया गया है, पाए जाते हैं, एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड गीज़ा सिटी, गीज़ा, ओके। नेक्स्ट, द ओल्ड नेम ऑफ श्रीलंका, विच सिटी इज दी, और विच सिटी इज नोन एज श्रीलंका सिटी? That's called Ceylon. The old name of Sri Lanka city was Ceylon. Okay. Next. In which country will you find the island? Okay, Mykonos and Santorini. In which city you will find the island like Mykonos and Santorini? That's called Greece. ठीक है, वो आपका है ग्रीस सिटी। नेक्स्ट है विच सिटी इज़ लोकेटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर थेम्स, कौन सी सिटी है जो कि लोकेटेड की गई है ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रिवर थेम्स, एंड दैट्स वेरी वेल सिटी, नेम इज लंडन। व्हाट्स द नेम? लंडन, ओके। नेक्स्ट, दिस सिटी ऑल्सो नोन एज न्यू आम्स्टरडम, this city is also known as New Amsterdam, and that's called New York City, New York City. Next है Grand Canyon is located in, Grand Canyon जो है वो located की गई है where? Arizona, in Arizona City. Next is that Brandenburg Gate is located, ब्रांडेनबर्ग जो है गेट वो लोकेटेड की गई है किस सिटी में? दैट्स लोकेटेड इन बर्लिन, बर्लिन सिटी। नेक्स्ट, दिस सिटी इज इन आयरलैंड, कौन सी ऐसी सिटी है जो कि आयरलैंड में है? दैट इज लिमरिक, लिमरिक सिटी, इट्स सिचुएटेड इन आयरलैंड, लिमरिक। Next, Old Trafford Stadium is located near, Old Trafford जो है स्टेडियम वो लोकेटेड की गई है नियर टू विच सिटी? मैनचेस्टर, नियर टू मैनचेस्टर सिटी। नेक्स्ट, द कैपिटल ऑफ हंगरी, द कैपिटल ऑफ हंगरी विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द सिटी, दैट्स कॉल्ड बुडापेस्ट, ओके, बुडापेस्ट यू कैन से। नेक्स्ट, बेसिलिका ऑफ San Lorenzo Church is situated, Basilica of San Lorenzo Church, that is situated in which city? That's in Florence, Florence city, clear? Next and last, largest city of which republic? Largest city of Czech Republic is called, the city's name, Prague. कौन सी है? Prague. Clear? Clear, students? So these are the famous cities with their famous descriptions, and even all the names are given also in your jumble, which we have done in Unscramble. Okay, so all of you complete this exercise in your book, and also try to do the next chapter, means 34 also, and revise these all the chapters after your half yearly, means from 24. You should revise for your exam. Okay, so next day again we will meet with the next chapter. So till then, students, now thank you. Have a good day.